Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video, we're doing a Sephora haul. So if you want to see what items I picked up while I was moseying around in store, then just stay tuned. All right, so I did post a short. I finally got to get over to my closest Sephora, their standalone store. And I decided just to walk around the store to see like what are the sets that they have available that is coming out. Because I know they're starting to drop things as we're getting closer towards the end of the year. They like to do, a lot of companies like to do different gift sets and different things. So I was wondering what did my store already have in stock, because you guys, in July, I was finally able to score one of my $100 Rouge gift cards. Now, if you don't know what that is, first of all, you got to be a Sephora Beauty Insider. And as you purchase from them, you accumulate points. Well, I'm a Rouge member, which is their top tier that you can become a Rouge member. Well, after you get 2,000 points, you can redeem those points for a $100 gift card. The catch is they release rewards on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I believe it is, and you got to grab it quick, and it's not always there. I like had to stalk that site for a few months before I was able to finally score one, and I did get it back in July. And the other catch to it is that they give you an expiration date with it. So it's not like once you get the reward, you can use it at any time. It had till October, so I got it the end of July. So August, September, and I don't think it was the end of October. So I don't know if it was 2.5, 3 months you had to use it by, or it's like you lost it. So I was waiting on a good sale, but I wanted it to get closer towards around this time of year, because I know the store likes to drop their gift sets around this time. So I wanted to see what the store had in store versus online. And I did, see a few things, but it was nothing that was really catching my eye. And you guys, I was in there sniffing on all the perfumes. I even helped a couple of people pick out their perfumes, because they wasn't very familiar with perfumes and scent notes and all of that. And so I helped one young man with his telling him which ones were good, and I helped another young lady with hers. Like I'm up in there like I'm a Sephora employee. But I had a good time doing it. I had a good time with it. And I got to, sniff some of the other things, put my nose on some of the newer scents. You guys, that Marc Jacobs, what is it? Perfect. It's in the reddish bottle. They just released a new flanker. It smells so good. It is so good. So I don't fell in love with that one. They did not have the new Donna Born Aroma flanker that was released this year. They didn't have that in store, so I couldn't put my nose on that. But I was able to put my nose on quite a few fragrances that I've been curious about, wondering how they smelled. So if I ever decide to get them in the future, or a dupe of them, inspired by a version of them, I will be familiar with what they smell like. With all that being said, what did I pick up while I was in store? So I used my $100 gift card while I was in there, but then of course my total was a little bit, was over $100. So I'll share with you what did I decide to pick up. So first things first, they was advertising very heavily in store about this Sephora collection. They was having like 5 times the points or something, but I did clip it in my short, so maybe I'll show it to you now. So out of the stuff that I showed you, I decided to get this. I decided to try these out, and so this is their Black Liner Duo Set. 2 full-size products is what it's advertising as. So this is their, like I said, it's like one of their little gift things. So we have opt for this duo of must-have eyeliners that includes the 12-hour retractable eyeliner and the brush tip liquid liner. So a pencil and a felt tip, both in intense black shades with a waterproof formula and 12-hour hold. These liners are ideal for defined eyes that last for hours. So that is what is in here. The liquid brush tip and then the retractable one, the eyeliner. And they're both in black and they're both waterproof. So that's what that is. And then the other thing I picked up was this other little cute set that has the 3 full-size mascaras. So they got that mascara, this one, and then this one. So what do they say about their mascaras? A new look every day is possible with this trio of mascaras. Size up, love the lift, or big by definition. These must-have mascaras adapt to every style, ideal for varying your looks or to share with friends, thanks to the detachable 3-part packaging. So what they're saying is they got it all separated. So they're together, but they're separated. So like it's saying, if you have a favorite in here, you can just push it out. You can just push one of these out of here. They got it taped on this end, but this little cardboard board is what's holding all 3 of them into this triangular shape. But just pop any of these out and you can, and they're individually packaged, so you can gift them if you like to. So that is a neat idea from Sephora. And they even got on here from too, so they got it ready to gift if you want to gift it. And the same with this one, they got it marked on the side where if you want to gift it to someone, you can do that. So that is the Sephora items that I picked up. I played around, you guys, with the Hourglass Edit palettes while I was in there. I swatched a couple of them. I didn't video it. I did video the palettes, but I didn't video me swatching the other palettes. I'm glad I got the one that I did get. Now, I got, I believe, the Fox palette, the one that was for the deeper skin tones, but I got it in the Swan packaging, unless I haven't opened up the box yet to pull it out because I want to haul it with you guys. But I ordered it from the Hourglass site. I wanted the Swan packaging. So I love swans. I'll have, you know, my husband and I both, we love swans. We think they're so cute and romantic and loving and all that. So anyways, I wanted the Swan packaging, but I got the actual Fox palette. So whatever the Fox palette, for the deeper skin tones, I got that put into the Swan packaging. So looking forward to hauling that with you guys. I will be doing a haul with that along with a try on, because I want to try it on my skin. So I'll have my eyes already done and my base makeup. But I will be using the bronzer and the blushes and the highlighters and everything that's in there, so you can see what it looks like on my skin. So stay tuned for that video. Be sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Turn on your notification bell. And while you're down there, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up for this video as well. So what else did I pick up while I was in store? I got this Sol de Janeiro Sundays in Rio body mist. I've been eyeballing this for a while because the scent notes in here sounded very good to me. But what I didn't like about this situation is that they only released it in this smaller bottle. So that's the thing. If you end up loving this scent, you can't get it in a bigger size, at least right as of now. Maybe they'll decide to release a bigger bottle of it if enough people say they want it and they enjoy it and everything. But this Sol de Janeiro Sundays in Rio perfume mist says, savor the energy of a Sunday in Rio with inviting notes of warm vanilla, pink pepper, and amber musk. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm not going to be sniffing all the other items, but I am curious about this one. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this open. Why don't we just test this one on out? How about that? And then I'll get on to the other. I got a couple of other perfume mints from another brand along with a couple of fragrances. So I want to share with you all. But I'm curious about this one since it is new to their line. And they didn't want to give us a full bottle of it. So it's making me wonder if it's any good. For it to be so limited with what they wanted to give with it. This sheet thing on here is very tight. All right, so got all of that off. But this is what it looks like. And that's what it says on the back about it. I don't smell nothing off the top. So let me spray it in here. Prime it up. Okay. Let alcohol dry down a little bit. I am definitely picking up on the amber. It still smells alcohol-y right now, so let me give it a second. I'm gonna leave that right there while we go ahead, because right now I am not impressed. I'm smelling a bunch of alcohol right now, so let it calm down. And then maybe I'll smell something come out of it in a minute. So let me give it a second to do its thing while it's sitting there. What else did I get? I was smelling, remember I told you I was over there in the perfume section sniffing all the things. I've been really curious about this Fleur lineup because after I fell in love with that Guilty as a Fig body spray from Bath and Body Works, it really made me wonder about that Father Figure fragrance. And I kept saying that I never smelled it, didn't know what to think about it. So they had this confret set. I saw this online and I was curious about how big it was because you know advertisements online can make things look way bigger than what they are, way smaller than what they are. So I wanted to see this in store. So this is the little confret set that they got in there as a gift set for this season. And this one, it says, we create modern fragrances for your every desire, mood, and moment. Curate your fragrance wardrobe with our bestsellers. Wear what's true to you every day. So they're saying that this is their bestsellers. So what's in here is Rose Whip, Vanilla Skin, Missing Person, and Father Figure. So this is their actual perfumes. So this is a miniature of the actual perfumes. Now, Rose Whip says that it has top notes of pink pepper and blackcurrant, heart of rose, amethyst, nutmeg, and base of amber, cashmere wood, and musk. And then Vanilla Skin had top of pink pepper, pink apple, sugar crystals. Then it has a heart of lily, jasmine petals, and cashmere wood, and base of benzoin, vanilla, sandalwood, and argarwood. And then Missing Person is in here. It has top of skin musk, bergamot nectar, sheer jasmine, heart of fresh cyclamen, neroli blossom, orange flower, and base of sandalwood, Australia oil, blonde wood, and white musk. And then Father Figure has top of water lily, lush fig, and cassis buds, the heart of orris root, iris flower, jasmine dew, and base of skin musk and vanilla, Madagascar, patchouli leaf, and sandalwood. So that is what all of these are. I'm going to do another video with these. I want to do wear tests with these. So what I'm thinking about doing for my month of October for my tray is do a month of testing. I have several discovery sets. Like this is considered a discovery set, right? I have several perfumes from Genre. I got several perfumes from Dua and Juliana's perfumes that I need to test out. And I don't like testing things out just for a couple hours. I like to do full day wear tests. So this is talking about a month of nothing but straight up perfume. No layering, no nothing. Just testing the perfumes out the way they are. Well, of course, you know, moisturizing your skin, but doing a month of testing. That's what I'm thinking about doing for my month of October, because this is the season when everyone's looking to purchase perfumes, colognes, and those things. And people are going to be looking for reviews on those things. And I want to be able to provide some reviews on the things that I have in my collection. I also purchased several perfumes from Victoria's Secret, Perfume Mania, different stores, online stores, and different places. So I need to test these things out and share my thoughts on those with you and do individual reviews on them. So this is probably going to be added to the listing of testing for the month of October. Tell me what you guys think about the ideal in the comments below. Super curious to hear your thoughts on this, but this is the Fleur perfumes that I have here. And then the last thing I got while I was in there was I wanted to try some of their hair and body mist as well. So this, they had two sets in there. They had this set, and then they had another set that had a vanilla smoke in there. I did not like vanilla smoke. I was interested in the other two, but not enough to get it with that vanilla smoke, because I did not care for that vanilla smoke. I smelled all the sprays in store, and it was quite a few in there that I was like, ooh, I really like you. So anyways, I decided to get this one. This one has the peach skin, and vanilla skin. So on the back, it says Paradise Skin Set. And so it says 3 of our favorite skin scents come together to invoke the balmy, radiant essence of a treasured escape. So peach skin has top notes of peach bellini, bergamot, and peach skin, heart of white freesia, vanilla orchid, jasmine nectar. Jasmine has base, milky sandalwood, sheer amber, and coconut caramel. And then beach skin has top notes of bergamot, salted tiara flower, and pink pepper, heart of coconut milk, lily of the valley, and base of sandalwood, vanilla, musk. And vanilla skin has top notes of pink pepper, pink apple, sugar crystals, heart of lily, jasmine petals, cashmere woods, and base of benzoin, vanilla, sandalwood, and argarwood. So I did enjoy all 3 of these scents. So hence I went on ahead and decided to pick up this set. And I should enjoy this very much. But I'll give you my full test on it when I do actual wear test on it. So that is everything that I picked up while I was in Sephora to utilize my gift card. Let's go back and smell this Sol de Janeiro and see what we think about it. Okay, so the alcohol is completely gone now. I can actually smell the notes. Okay, this smells good. All right. Yeah, this smells nice. I can get on with this very well. All right, so this will be added to the lineup to do a wear test on it, see what I actually think of it after actually wearing it. But smelling it off the top, it smells good. So I'm looking forward to trying all these things out with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.